So I was asked by someone to do a custom shirt that's black, dark navy, dark purple, and dark green. So we'll come up with something creative for that. Let's go ahead and, as always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine. Go ahead and turn this inside out since this is going to be ice dyed. Ooh, somebody didn't trim that in the factory, did they? This side too. Good grief. Alright. So I'll get these. Huh. I noticed something changed about these shirts. This is a new batch of shirts. Has a different tag. It's not white. It's this weird metallic gray. I've never had excess runoff on the seams before, so I don't know if this is a one-up or if I'm going to have that issue with all the shirts. We'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm going to do kind of a diagonal here. I'm not sure this is long enough. It's not long enough. So I'm going to have an entry point like up here, if you can see that. I don't know, I think that's outside of the range. It's at the very top corner of the shirt. We're going to do one here. One here. One here. And we're going to pull them all not quite to the same spot, but I'm spacing these out. I don't know, I would take a guess, but I'll be wrong. About 2 inches apart or so. Alright, so I'm going to kind of eyeball this with a ruler in place. It's close. It's like I'm used to putting arcs in everything, so instead of these being straight lines, they're all arced. Well, I'm consistent, I guess. Alright, and then this one is almost straight, so I think I'm going to cheat and do one more. And do it here at the bottom of the shirt. Pretty sure that's off the screen. There we go. Alright. Get that. This. 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 And that. Yay, it finally did it. Alright. So we've got that far. Rest of this I'll make up as I go. That took way longer than it should have. Holy crap. Alright, so there's one there. We're going to run that one back up to probably right about there. We'll do one more out there and probably pull it up to there. So, and the rest I should be able to eyeball. Alright. Confusing enough? Alright, so I've got that going. Did I mention the person asked for something different? I feel this is something different. So on this side, I'm going to run every 3 inches. Okay. And then on this side I'm going to offset by 1 inch, I believe. I say that. So the first one I'm going to do at, what? That would actually be the 2-inch mark. And then I'm going to offset and do 2 inches again, 2 inches a third time, then switch to 3, 3, 3, we'll go to 4, 4. Alright, that should be right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll figure something out on the last one. Alright. So let's go ahead and start tying this. Alright, the reason it looks like this has been tied a couple of times is because it's been tied a couple of times trying to figure out how to get this to work and getting it to not work. So as much as I don't want to do it, I think I'm going to do it, but instead of doing it the way I was to begin with, I'm going to fold it under between those 2 points. Right. Makes it harder to see, but this one and this one are going in line. As you can see, it actually spirals through. So I think I'm going to use that to my benefit on this design. And we're just going to declare one side the top, one side the bottom, or maybe I'll do it in 3 sides. It's pretty much what it works out to. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Off to dye. Alright, I'm going with Better Black, Forest Green, which is the darkest green I currently have, Deep Purple, and Strong Navy, and all of these are Dharma. I should have built a form around this, and I wouldn't have caused myself pain and suffering trying to put the ice on. So we'll go ahead and let this melt, and then we'll take a look and see where to go. Alright, so this side is finished. Let's go ahead and flip this over. And I started with black, so I'm going to go ahead and start with green, I think. Yeah, it was black, purple, green, navy, so we'll go green, navy, black, purple, and go that way around. Alright, and again, if I... Oh, I'm not finished. There we go. If I would have built a form, I wouldn't have had that trouble with it. That's why you should build the forms out of cardboard. It makes it easier. The ice doesn't fall. Alright, so I'm going to let that melt through, and then we'll see where to go from there. I didn't get any video for the washout because it's like 2 in the morning and I just didn't feel like pulling out the camera to do it. But here's the results. The black, of course, doesn't come out as black, but that's never going to come out as black on an ice dye because of how the color separates out. But the rest of it actually looks pretty good. So the folds created this pattern here, and then the zigzag was due to how it was actually tied with the sinew. So overall I like it. See if the person agrees. If not, we might do another one with the same colors. I'm not sure if they were asking for ice dye or liquid, so might get another shot at this or something similar. Thanks for watching, and until next time.